Welcome back, everybody, to another episode with your boy, Ol'tyme Pokey. And today, we continue the search for any kind of a hit out of these tins. They have been rough. I have seen horror stories through Jolteon, and our first tin was, well, So, today, again, we will continue, and I believe I'm going to make the choice of opening the Flareon tin today. Vaporeon has always been very tanky, and at this point, I feel like the only thing to do is get through to the tank. If you noticed, I am using the Espeon pin to open said tin. We have pulled the alternate art Espeon, so hopefully, maybe, just maybe, that logic changes the heart of the card, and we have a alternate art Umbreon in our Evolving Skies pack. We shall see. I will put him, Mr. Flareon, into a nice sleeve, showcase him. Centering is actually pretty dang good on this promo card. Back's a little Actually, it's pretty good. So, moving on now. We have a code card for you guys. I'll get you another one. There, oh, we showed the Jolteon before. That's a actual new one. There we go. Hopefully you all are enjoying those codes. Same lineup as before. Let's see what we can get. Expectations are low. At that point in life, I've always found with low expectations come great reward at times. Who knows? Hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I know that there are definitely some events happening in the world. Hurricane, flooding, this, that, the other. I wish anyone that is affected by those things, wish them the best. Hope that they get things going back for them as quickly as possible. We start out with a Fire Energy, Hitmonchan, Potion, Dottler, Silicobra, Joltik, Roselia, Goldeen, Ferroseed, a Rhyhorn Reverse, and a Frostmoth Hollow. Like we haven't seen that card before. That happens. Chilling Rain will be next after Battle Styles. It is not a Tyranitar pack, so there is a chance for something. Could it be that I pull one of the chase cards that I'm looking to pull out of said pack? Very slim, but I always stay positive. Now, I noticed something. You guys see that? I have some miscut commons, it looks like, that have actual, like, and it's only on the left side that has the miscut. Focus. There we go. There we go. You guys will see. We have a Fighting Energy, Rapid Strike Energy, Camping Gear, Seadra. Hopefully it's a nice card, like a good Pokemon. Spoink. Okay, so Spoink has it. So you see how it's not rounded? That's great. Put that off to the side. Make sure it wasn't on Gligar. Gligar has a spot on the bottom. Not on the top. Bronzor has it fully. Tepig has it fully. A Reverse Boltund. And a Necrozma V out of Battle Styles. Really hoping that's not the hit out of the tin. It happens. It happens. It happens. There's a code card for you guys. 4 to the front. get you an extra code just like before, and I apologize to anyone usually liking my longer videos. Just wrapping these up real quick, especially since, like they say, the hits are just a little on these tins. The wife and myself have opened a few things personally off camera. We've done quite well. The set is just rolling along for us, which is a nice change of pace. And we're down to Evolving Skies. I will show we do have a white code card. Let's see what we can get. White code card. I'll give 2 out because maybe that'll, heart of the card, change it up, give me something that I want. You all know what I want. Fire. Literal. Toy Catcher. Raihan. Avalug. A Dwebs. Rufflet. Rock and Roller. Wobbuffet. Hoppet. A reverse Shelgon. And what do we have? We have a Rayquaza V. 2 Vs, 110. I will absolutely take it compared to yesterday's pulls. So, with that, as I said, quick, short, easy, to the point. 2 hits out of your boy Flareon. We have another promo. We're good. So then, as always, from me to you, we will see you next time.